and welcome to 20th of December. Now let's take a look at the market today and see what's going on. Aussie dollar, we're starting with the Aussie dollar. Now as you know, we're expecting U-turns from the bottoms towards the upper side of things. So this is going to be one of those U-turn moments. So this week I'm expecting retracements. It's taking a bit of time, but Monday, Tuesday possibly to kind of like stagnate around here, and then the market will possibly start going up again. Okay, so be mindful of that. Just make sure you're following the trades and keep your heads up. I think Aussie dollar is going to be making a U-turn on that according to this big fall here. Okay, so around here, possible U-turn. Like we mentioned on the Friday wrap up, we're expecting the markets to take a kind of a retracement action this week. So on the pound dollar as well. Yesterday it didn't break out, as you can see from here, so we couldn't go long, but the market gave us this opportunity, which is a channel, and we can now adjust. So if it pops its head back down again, I think it's another good buy opportunity. If it doesn't pop its head down, what you need to do then is kind of follow it through. How would you follow something like this through? What you do is just draw your resistance line. Let's do it from here. Okay. And, oh, wait a minute, that wasn't a good idea. This is what you can do. Just draw your resistance line here. And if the market, like, pretty much wobbles around here a little bit and then it breaks out, it's a good time to go long then, and that'll be your target then. Alright, so that'll be a nice little follow through. Euro dollar, let's take a look at the euro dollar. Same here, I think. The market probably looking to come up. A good target for this is obviously going to be this price level here. So we're expecting the market to reach this level here. Let me just get rid of that. And that is your channel. So if you take a look at your channel, that's not far-fetched at all. We're just expecting the market to come up to the upper side of this channel there, and then we'll see how that works out. Dollar Canadian, I'm still expecting a pullback to here, so selling at the tops here, making U-turn entries around here, I think is great. I don't think the market's going to sleep over Christmas. I mean, Christmas is already on the weekend, so that doesn't really make any difference. So Boxing Day is the 26th. I think we'll be in action on the 26th, 27th, 28th, all the way up to the new year. So I think there's still going to be opportunities to kind of take trades onwards, and I think this is one of those trades where you just need to watch it and wait for the market to kind of roll back. Dollar yen, now it's coming up for a double top here. Let me just put that here, double top or slightly higher around here, but just like with the dollar franc, this double top is nice, I think, to kind of push it down again. As you can see, we've got this M formation happening here, so double top and then pull back down here. Dollar franc, where's my dollar franc? Let's take a look at that. There we go, dollar franc. Same kind of scenario here. There's just too many lines here. Let me just get rid of these lines and let's see. Let's do something fresh. Okay. Now, as you can see, we had this pull back from this level. So just like the dollar yen, I think it's going to be a double top formation, and from here the market will start to pull back, and possible levels of pullback will be, first of all, it'll come to this level here. That's going to be the neckline, as you can see right there, and then we'll probably, if it breaks down that level, we'll probably see it around here. Okay, back down here, and then we'll see how that eventuates over January. And let's take a look at gold. Gold is in this channel, as you can see, still same place as yesterday, no big dramas. I think if it dips down, you know, it's going to be worthwhile pushing up here, but I just don't think it's going to dip down all the way to this channel here. What you might want to do if you're a gold trader is just do this. There's your resistance line there. If it kind of like stays around here and then breaks out, then that's good to follow it up to this line here, I think. Let's take a look at Brent. Brent, as you know, I put an arrow here the other day. I think we're still going to be going long on the Brent. The $60 mark is definitely great. I'm still looking forward to that. I think it'll come to the $60 mark, and it's taking its time though, so we'll see how that happens. So towards January, possibly moving up here. But I did mention the other day, if you're trading Brent, just make sure you've got yourself covered with your stop losses, so that if things do go sour, you just don't risk your account. You need a bit of proper management, as in with all trades, not just Brent, but within all trades. The thing is with oil right now, with all the OPEC meetings and all the countries in certain agreements, disputes, agreements, and so forth, it could be a bit tricky here. So it's worthwhile following it safely and not taking a lot of risk on it. Let's take a look at the indices. Now the indices are hot, and I've been talking about the indices for the past few weeks simply because of this resistance here, as you know. Since the beginning of December, I did mention that if it breaks this resistance, it's just going to go high. And yesterday and last week as well, I mentioned that this is looking like it's a target. So on the DAX, this 11,585 is not far-fetched. 11,500 could be the range that the market is seeking before they start to sell off. And if you look at the Dow, this 20,000 level is just eyeing it, okay, slightly above 20,000 as well. So it's just eyeing it there, one little push, and then the market might start selling off around there, and we'll see how that happens. So if you're trading the indices, be mindful that we are close to the tops. So if you're going to go long, just make sure you got this under control. Now let's hope all goes well. I think this week we're going to see some moves coming in on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So as I did mention, we'll be going through some retracements, and I think they'll start to eventuate today, tomorrow. Hope that helps. Have a great day.